Welcome guys, in this short video I just want to show you Alfawise U30 Pro printer. I remade G-head, fan, power supply fan and brain fan or motherboard fan. And I done little trick I want to show and share to you. What I done? Just added 2 transistors and connected them just like this. Check the picture. And this is amazing. It's really great result. I cannot hear it, my printer. What I can hear just this filament cooling fan, because I not modified this fan. Check this out. This is really amazing, guys. So you almost cannot hear it, your printer. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, enjoy, and more videos about this coming soon. I think I'm going to modify my Troper 4 printer due to same. This is 24 volts system printer. Actually, this is not bad printer at all. Check this quality. Very cheap, and now it's super quiet.